Hello kids, today we learn what start with letter R. This is a letter R. Letter R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. R is for rain. Rain. R is for rhino. Rhino. R is for reindeer. Reindeer. R is for raccoon. Raccoon. R is for raspberry. Raspberry. R is for rooster. Rooster. R is for rug. Rug. R is for ring. Ring. R is for ramen. Ramen. R is for refrigerator. Refrigerator. R is for rocket. Rocket. R is for robot. Robot. R is for rat. Rat. R is for radio. Radio. R is for red panda. Red panda. R is for ruler. Ruler. R is for rolling pin. Rolling pin. R is for rice cooker. Rice cooker. R is for rice. Rice. R is for radish. Radish. R is for rose. Rose. R is for ruby. Ruby. R is for royal. Royal. R is for rich. Rich. R is for river. River. R is for road. Road. R is for roots. Roots. R is for red. Red.